Hi guys, it's Bex from Shannon's. Today I'll be showing you how to make a couple new cocktails that we are actually rolling out on our new fall/winter menu. So the first thing we're going to be doing is a hot buttered rum. So we have a hot buttered rum mix made in-house. We'll be using Kraken spiced rum and top it off with hot water, whipped cream, and some cocoa. So we have your mug. Gonna add your rum. You can go heavy if you want. Buttered mix. And then we'll just mix that real good. Like so. You don't want any clumps in there. Add your hot water. And stir until it's a nice consistency. We'll top it up with some whipped cream and some hot cocoa. And there you are, hot buttered rum. So fun fact about this, this mix is actually my own personal recipe. It's something that I just make every fall, winter time. It's a nice hot drink, delicious and spicy, and it's easy to make at home too. So it's really just a combination of butter, sugar, cream, and spices. And the spices are the allspice, so cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Hey, Riley, you want to come try this drink?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Wow, look at this.
Yes. So this is actually a cocktail that we will be batching for people to purchase online. If you want to come and hang out at Shannon's, it's a great drink now that it's cold outside. And also, if you want to just have a party at home, you can take it to go.
Yes, and you can check out the live stream on December 12th. It's a Saturday where you can learn to make these cocktails while listening to local artists, live music, and cheers. Thank you, Becca.
Cheers.
We'll see you there.
Hi, this is Riley from Shannon's Corner at the Carvery restaurant. We are introducing our Thanksgiving packages. These are family-style meals where you don't have to worry about a thing. The Carvery does it for you. Our signature prime rib is lightly smoked and slow roasted, and it comes with green beans. These are French-style almondine haricots verts, as well as sour cream mashed potatoes, stuffing, and our house-made gravy. The prime rib package serves 4 to 6 people, and if you want more, you can add more to your order. We also offer very lightly smoked turkey breast for 4 to 6 people with all the same sides. And this year we have our whole roasted, slow roasted turkey in limited quantities. The whole turkey is 14 to 16 pounds. Place your order today by visiting shannonscorner.com and look for the Thanksgiving food picture and link that says click here to order. You can pick up your order curbside or set up a delivery time the day before or the day of Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, and we hope your holidays are very special.